I may have found a perfect cooking solution for those that have got small power generators or small inverters. This here is a 500 watt heat plate or heat element. So yeah, we're going to check this out today, see if it's going to work well with my BlUETTI AC50B. Yeah, might be a good solution to cook and to heat, you know, pour water or whatnot. This is the unit itself. I got this one off eBay, but they do sell them on Amazon and that as well. Very, very cheap, so I thought I'd give it a go. Yeah, can't lose really for the price. This is the Australia New Zealand standard one, so yeah, we'll get this all plugged in and we'll check it out. Alright, so it's just got a little toggle wheel here for the temperature settings. Just hit a click then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 heat settings on this. Little red indicator light indicating that the power is on and that this thing is hot. So I'm going to get a pot and some water and we'll check it out. Alright, put 2 cups of water in. So it's around 500 mils. You can probably see at the back of the pot there. This is not the ideal pot for this unit because it is quite a large pot compared to the heat plate, and it's a thick wall pot as well. So it's probably not the ideal scenario. You can buy really small mini pots in a you can buy mini pots, which I may do in a later video and show this unit again. But anyhow, we're going to try with this pot today just to see how it performs. Alright, turn this on. This thing I've been using pretty much every day just to charge my phone, laptop and iPads, stuff like that. This thing's been running flawlessly, just for anyone that's interested. Yeah, this one's definitely been running very, very good, as it should for being a BlUETTI product. Alright, we'll turn the AC on, 89% here, so it'll be interesting to see how much energy it takes to boil 2 cups of water. And we'll go turn it on to the first setting. I think it's going to still use the same amount of power. It's just going to turn off. It's just the temperature will be a bit different on each setting. As you can see there, it doesn't affect the actual power output. So we'll leave this on 5. Just so you know as well, this is YQ105 from Hajal brand. Don't know how you say that, but anyway, we're at 87%, drawing 523 watts. Red light's on. Yeah, we're at 10:25 as well in the morning, just so you know. I don't have a timer, but you're just going to have to trust me. 10:25 in the morning. So we'll see what time it is when this finally boils. Remember to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already. I'm almost at 3,000 subscribers now, so that's really, really awesome. Appreciate all your support, guys. Right, it's been 10 minutes. This just turned off before. The thermostat must have kicked off, so I'd say that this is almost boiled, eh? Let's have a bit of a look. Oh, steamy. It's been 10 minutes and that's pretty close to boiling, I think, guys. 68%. So we've used, was that about 10% of this power? 10 minutes, boiling water. If water's boiling, then we can definitely cook something with it. Boil eggs, cook rice, cup of noodles, cup of tea. Looks like it's just kicked off again, the thermostat, so looks like that's as hot as the thermostat's going to allow it. Definitely enough to cook with. Well, there you have it, guys. This is the small 500 watt heat plate. I got off eBay, very cheap. I think this is a perfect match for a smaller unit like this, smaller inverter. Probably perfect for someone that's touring in a van or a car, or even some people that are unfortunate enough to be living in their cars at the moment with the current situation they're in. Yeah, I think this might be a good little solution for many people, and it was very affordable as well, I must admit. If I find one of these units on Amazon as well, we'll put the link in the description below for you. Yeah, let us know what you think. Give us a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Really appreciate it, guys. I'm almost at 3,000 subscribers now, so that's awesome, and I appreciate every one of you. Bye.